Hey everyone, it's Keegan, and this is going to be my 13th speech for the Ron Paul public speaking course. Now, I actually I want to sit down and talk to y'all, so, ta-da! Sup, it's me again, and this is my 13th speech. Now, I am going to teach everyone how to ruin a date in under a minute. It's actually pretty simple. Now, the real thing I'm going to talk about is hibernation. I know it's simple and it's actually really random, but I tend to hibernate myself, and I thought I'd talk about something I have experience in. Now, hibernation is a state of minimal activity and metabolic depression, like me after eating Taco Bell. I honestly don't regret my decision of going to Taco Bell, but I always do it time and time again. Now, hibernation is undergone by animals in the time of winter. So basically, they slow down their breathing and their heart rate as well as their metabolic rate in order to survive the harsh winters and the lack of food during that time. Now, a fun fact I learned, I know you're probably thinking what I was thinking. How's there anything fun about hibernating? But it turns out that not just rodents hibernate. Now, that might just be my own stupidity, y'all might know that, but it turns out that bears and bats and all kinds of animals hibernate. So the way it works is, from what I've learned, basically if you eat Taco Bell, for example, and you're just utterly scarred from the experience, you decide not to eat. Now, because you've already eaten such a large portion of food, or at least I hope you did, your body, it takes the energy and the fat from all that food and it turns it into fat deposits. And that is what your body will feed on for the time being. Or it does this, at least for animals. I don't know about humans. Now, basically, the body, it stores fat energy in your stomach and your body naturally eats it. So for real though, there are some actually really interesting facts about hibernation. The first thing I found is a lot of hibernating animals actually wake up around every 30 days to pass their Taco Bell in an atomic manner. And they actually eat a little before they go back to sleep to give them more energy. The second thing I found is when animals are sleeping, their bodies aren't producing any electrical currents. Therefore, they don't dream while they're in this state. They just see nothing. Now, the third, and this is going to be the last fun fact, is domesticated goldfish and hedgehogs actually hibernate. Of all things, it's kind of strange. That would probably be the most, like the majority of the fun facts I found. So thank you all for watching, and if you enjoyed this, cool. And you should watch the rest of my speeches if you're bored. They don't take up too much time, and I don't know. I think they're decent. It's up for you to decide. Thank you for watching.